Work versus energy. Understanding their fundamental differences. Work and energy are fundamental concepts in physics that describe interactions and transformations in physical systems. While they are related, they represent distinct aspects of how forces act on objects and the resulting effects on motion and systems. 1. Work overview. Work in physics refers to the transfer of energy that results from applying a force over a distance. It is a scalar quantity measured in joules, J, and represents the product of force and displacement in the direction of the force. 2. Measurement. Work is calculated based on how much force is applied to an object to move it a certain distance in the direction of the force. It quantifies the energy transferred to or from an object due to mechanical processes like pushing, pulling, or lifting. 3. Applications. Work finds applications in various fields such as mechanics, engineering, and everyday activities involving physical effort. It helps in understanding the amount of energy required to perform tasks, operate machines, and accomplish work-related goals efficiently. 4. Energy overview. Energy is the ability to do work or cause change in a system. It exists in different forms such as kinetic energy, energy of motion, potential energy, stored energy, thermal energy, heat, and others. Energy is a scalar quantity measured in joules, J, and is conserved in isolated systems. 5. Forms of energy. Energy manifests in various forms and can be transformed from one form to another. Kinetic energy relates to the motion of objects, while potential energy is associated with the position or configuration of objects relative to a reference point, such as gravitational potential energy. 6. Conservation. The law of conservation of energy states that energy cannot be created or destroyed, only transformed from one form to another or transferred between objects. This principle underpins the study of energy in physics and its application in understanding natural phenomena and technological advancements. 7. Relationship. Work and energy are related concepts where work is the transfer of energy resulting from force applied over a distance. When work is done on an object, energy is transferred to that object, changing its energy state or causing it to move. Conversely, when work is done by an object, it transfers energy to its surroundings or another object. 8. Practical examples. For example, lifting a book from the ground to a shelf requires work to be done against the force of gravity, transferring potential energy to the book as it gains height. The amount of work done is equal to the change in the book's potential energy relative to the ground. Conclusion. Work and energy are fundamental concepts in physics that describe interactions, transformations, and the ability to cause change in physical systems. Work quantifies the transfer of energy resulting from applied forces over distances, while energy represents the capacity to do work or cause effects in various forms. Understanding the differences between work and energy helps in analyzing physical processes, calculating energy transfers, and applying principles of conservation in scientific, engineering, and everyday contexts.